Oh, one hand!
Hello, and welcome to Braille Skateboarding. This is the channel, and we are here with Andy Anderson.
Hi.
And then we got Mowgli.
Yeah.
And then we have...
What are you doing?
I crashed. That's why I have to pause with him, because you don't know what he is. But we're here with a package, a letter, a box. Gabe Cruz is here. Hey, there's another Nigel
Sticker.
A legendary Nigel.
Oh, hey, what's up, dude?
Both of us glitch out, and there's two Nigels and two Dans here. I don't know what it all means, but
What's gonna happen?
don't know. Probably nothing good.
We probably shouldn't talk.
Hey, who are you today?
Who am I not?
So we are going to open this package, unlike any other package opening. Simple.
You know why I love this
Simple.
3-block?
Why do you love this 3-block?
Because it makes a perfect place to open boxes.
It does make a perfect place to open boxes. I will not lie.
But you like it because it's good to skate, right?
Yeah, it's true.
Okay.
I can feel it.
You ready?
No, not at all.
What is it? I'm more confused than when the box was sealed.
Rolling knee creeper. It's a rolling knee creeper. What exactly?
250 pound capacity.
I think that looks fun. I think these guys are wusses.
I agree.
Right?
You know what? Let's send it. Don't be silly.
So you got a bearing. Wait, that's not even a bearing. Dude, they're just bushings. But you got bearings here. So the bearings don't even make the wheels spin. Very interesting.
I don't care what happens in this video, Nigel, I just need you on a roll.
I'll get on a roll.
But other than that, we don't really need you.
You know what this makes me think of? This makes me think of is you chop it in half and then tape it to your knees. Bob Burnquist's knee pads, dude. You know how you slide out? You could go to the mega ramp. Just
Oh!
Onward, Seabiscuit. Terrifying.
Full send!
Why do these things always start off with me dying? Cool though.
Oh, okay.
Mowgli's gonna go ham on this thing.
Okay, where's this balance point? Oh, it changes when the wheels rotate.
Yeah.
Okay, right here. Trying to walk the dog here. Needs a leash. Okay, dude, just full sprint run on.
Sure.
That worked. That worked pretty good.
Not too bad. Think you could ride it down a bank?
Oh man, I can do this one more time.
Wow, look at that balance.
Okay.
Wow.
Okay.
Impressive.
He figured it out. He's a magician.
That middle wheel really interrupts the bank.
Mowgli, I think you can early grab down the 5.
I don't know. I'm not calling anything out. I need to feel it first.
That's why I call it out.
Oh.
Okay, gotta get this middle wheel over, and then it's go time. Come on, baby. Oh, it's pivoting.
I think he needs a push.
Sketchy. Okay, I'll push him. Good.
I love how he said, don't push me, don't push me. Okay.
Do it.
It's gonna happen.
Almost it. Whoa!
Oh, with the heels down, I get stability. Okay.
Not bad, not bad.
Dude, I'm just going for size of bank at this point. Okay, right here. That's actually, I love playing with this kind of thing.
That's tight.
How come Nigel left?
I don't know. Let me get the guys there.
Totally for mechanics, bro.
You think so?
Yeah, definitely. Cause look, it's got the little tool area. Put all your stuff. Be chilling, like moving around just a little bit, so you don't need to get up. We're trying to skate.
Okay, start with an ollie. Okay.
No, it's
I did
possible.
not think that was going down.
That's really
Wow.
Okay, it's right there. It's right there. Right here, all about that flick. It's gonna be so steezy. Slow-mo this.
We actually probably should slow-mo this.
I gotta remember to land, and it's gonna go every direction, so I gotta be super sturdy where my landing is.
Looked like it hurt.
Didn't hit me, thankfully. Okay, right here. Seems like it doesn't want to roll until you don't want it to roll.
Oh, that was it.
Oh, it's right there, it's right there. Gosh, my brain has a hard time conceiving what's gonna happen. It's hard to do something you can't imagine.
Oh my God! Yeah! Wow! Yeah. I cannot believe you did that.
Dude, we got it, we got it. 2 for true.
Dude,
2 for true.
are you kidding me?
Uzi, he just kick-flipped it, dude.
Oh, I feel like I'll die on this thing. What the heck? Oh.
Nigel! Bro, Andy just straight kick-flipped it. I don't know. It's ridiculous.
Dude!
It's it first try.
What the heck? I
did a 3-shove.
I kind of got it.
I didn't do a
kind
tray.
of got it, but I didn't really.
I did 3-shove.
Dude, I saw you. You like popped it.
Yeah, but I didn't tray though.
There you go.
Some pop there.
Holy crap!
Okay, okay.
Damn, that's like impossible.
That would have been clean. That's better than my normal 3-shoves.
Whoa!
Sorry, this is unpredictable.
Oh!
That was worse than a kingpin on a dry curve.
You got it, Dan.
I don't know how I did a 3-shove earlier. Oh, I thought it said 25 pound. Alright, I'm just doing a low one. You saw that popped one earlier?
I did, yeah.
No, it's impossible now.
Oh!
What was that?
Back in,
Oh, enough with the sound.
back into the. How'd you land like that? This is impossible.
You do not question the great Andy.
Anderson.
Bro, this is a. It doesn't spin under me.
Just spin like a normal thing.
Oh!
Spontaneous combustion used to scare me a lot as a kid. I was like, it can happen. You can just
There are cases
blow
of
up. Just, I'd be like, yeah.
Hey, you are a 3-shover.
Every time I try something, it's just like random. He's gonna do a 3-shove, he's gonna do a tray flip.
Oh, that was it! I heard something crack though.
It'd be like that sometimes.
Oh, yes! That was so good.
Oh yeah, dude, it's that middle wheel.
Bring out the crazy car. You ready for the fun?
Wait, what fun?
The fun.
I thought this was it. That thing looks awesome.
Someone get ready to hold on.
Oh my gosh, are you serious?
Is it motorized?
It's kind of dead, I think, but.
You might want to just do actual knees.
Is he on his feet?
Yeah. Oh, one hand! Yeah!
That is so fun. Oh my gosh. Mowgli, you gotta try that.
The crazy cart. Hey, send it, Dan! Yeah, hold on!
I didn't want to just spin out it to Andy, so I had to hold on.
I know. Damage report.
Was that from the 3-shove?
I don't know.
I think you should tow someone up the wall.
No, you just watch. You just watch. So we had another knee thing that he tried this.
Really?
Yeah. Dude, they're getting hella speed. Full sun!
I didn't know where you.
I thought you were going.
I thought you were gonna turn off.
I know, but he was on my left side.
He needs to stay on the outer side so when you drift that way, he can pull
He
himself.
was right here, though. I thought he was going to go this
Oh,
way.
I see.
I didn't want to run him over.
This is such a bad idea.
Also a great idea.
The best idea,
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
Oh!
It
Body!
It just turned on me.
No, you gotta be prepared for the turn. You just gotta have
The
your
wheels literally.
Well, I know because they're caster wheels. No, you gotta have your feet in here though, because if your feet are up here, you're gonna lose your balance.
All right.
Oh!
I don't know if this is gonna work, dude.
On an easier knee device.
Oh, that one doesn't have a seat.
Yeah, I don't know about this one.
I think we give it one more try. Let's give it one more try. Just turn a little later so when he whips, he's already on the ramp.
Oh, God. Oh. Why do me and you keep crashing?
Why are you like this? Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. If you want to see us come back and try the wall, leave it in the comments below.
This one is nothing's keeping me centered. Take it.
I've been wanting to Burt slide it for like 5 minutes. Dude, it's different now. I think it's because of the middle crack.
Oh yeah, because I think all the weight is on the middle one, that's why, since it got collapsed.
So it might be more directional now.
Yeah,
Which could be a good thing.
mini ranch.
Yeah, it just wants to go forward. It doesn't want to go sideways like before. You know, because like on a ripstick, it's kind of, oh, maybe you can pump it now.
What?
It's actually more skatable now because it's directional.
literally-
Instead of going every direction.
Kick turned on the wall ride. Oh, here we go. Oh. Oh, you might be able to use this as a drop in.
Please save me.
Oh, that's sketch. Uh-oh. Damage report. We lost the front wheel.
Okay, I'm gonna try to fall forwards.
Oh my God.
Okay, it's over.
Unbelievable.
I'm done. I'm done with this.
All right, now for the final ender, since it's directional, early grab down the 5. Here, you're Andy Anderson. You can make him do that because you're a wizard. If you say you want to see it, he has to do it, right?
Oh, bro, you got it.
Way cooler than an early grab.
Nah, we want to see the early grab. Take it down to 3 then.
Oh, it won't go backwards, dude. It has to go that one direction. Okay, I don't know. I don't want to be a part of this death.
I'll be a part of this. No, I was just gonna push him with my kicks. Oh, I like that.
All right, I have to land exactly front. How'd you say I have to land it? Like in front of me?
Pop right through and it doesn't even matter.
What do you think will work? Like skate style or like that?
I think like ski style. Like
And lean forward?
yeah, try to fall forward. But actually, if you're gonna land with your feet in these,
Yeah.
then you can drag your heels. If you fall back, you'd be like, ah.
Okay, okay. Oh my God, did that break fully?
Yep. All right, send it.
Talk about if you remove the middle wheel, you could board slide with it.
Hey!
It actually worked. I think it worked more because it broke and like as it sinked in, it kind of slowed it down.
That was easy. I think you should take that down to 5.
Yeah, you should, dude. Take it down to 5. And then the 3 block after that.
I like the way you think. Ah! Does the mirrors smell like grass?
Yeah, it does. That's strange.
Straight to the 3?
Yeah, dude, he just did it.
Oh, what? Oh my gosh! Well, I think that is it.
No, dude, now we just got a new one.
Now let's use it on the rail
Oh, dude.
because nothing's stopping it.
Oh no.
You guys got no faith.
I got more faith in you than anybody.
Look at that damage report.
Right here. Let me just go one go on the rail. Hey, I thought I had to believe. All right, we're done.
I think that's the end.
That was really entertaining.
Wow.
You kicked it.
That thing exploded.
That was insane, dude. That was insane.
A huge thanks to this guy for coming to be in this video. If you want to check out his mind control products, go to the link in the description below. There's some videos right there. Go ahead and check them out. Subscribe, like, leave a comment below, and you right there watching this video, it's your time to go to brailleskateboarding.com and learn how to skateboard.
Learn skateboarding. It's so cool. It connects your mind, body, and spirit.